here at Pike Place, just enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. Having healthy joints is key. Today, we'll talk about a fish that's a renowned source of omega-3s that help make walks like this a breeze.
Hello again and welcome back to my channel, Dr. Hanz, MD.
This is Seattle's famous Pike Place Market. The energy is buzzing and the sound of fishmongers shouting is everywhere. This market is a legend, a place that's been serving up some of the best fresh food in the world for over a century. And today's star, salmon. But salmon isn't just a joint hero, it's brain food. Omega-3 fatty acids can help sharpen memory, lift your mood, and may even slow cognitive decline. Imagine traveling through a new city, remembering names, dates, and directions like a pro. And your heart benefits too. These healthy fats help keep arteries flexible, support healthy blood pressure, and promote better circulation. If you're keeping an eye on your blood sugar levels, salmon's high-quality protein helps slow digestion for a steady release of energy. No spikes, no crashes. That means more stable energy and fewer snack cravings throughout the day. How much do you need? Just 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon each week can deliver all these benefits. While salmon is generally low in mercury, sticking to 2 to 3 servings weekly is the sweet spot for health without overexposure to seafood-related toxins. Cooking it couldn't be easier. Steam, sear, or roast with asparagus, broccoli, or your favorite veggies. Add a sprinkle of fresh thyme or oregano, and you've got a meal that's yummy, nourishing, and ready in minutes. Do you have a favorite recipe for this amazing fish? Enjoy salmon and give your body a boost in how you feel, how you think, and how much energy you have.